So guys, I'm out on the Norco today. Let's see what this bike rides like. Cheers, thank you. I'm not going to go over the top paths and stuff. It is a little bit muddy and it's only just stopped raining. But I did want to get out on the bike. Oh, here comes the rain again. It's just we need to straighten that stem a little bit. But other than that, this does seem to ride pretty well. Just keep giving the lens a wipe every now and again because it is like spitting. Got drizzle. Oh, and I forgot one thing. I forgot my water bottle. But I'm not going for a big ride. Just wanted to do a little test ride on this thing. See how it is. To be honest, it feels pretty damn good. Cheers. So this is a little bit better spec than the Norco 2. I've put the better forks on and clutch mech on it. Gears are fine. Morning. Oh, how's the bike? Feels pretty damn good. I think I'm going to have to re-bleed this back brake though. So fine. Alright. Also this ride is because there's the track. I'm gonna say yeah. It actually feels really good. It reminds me of my old Voodoo. I had the Voodoo Bantu. That was a cracking bike there. Really good to ride. And this feels just like it. Let's get through it. So, at the hill. I haven't even brought any gels with me. go. Second gear. Did I get this bike right? Yeah, I did. There we go. Oh, I've not been asked on the bike for a while. I can feel it. Well, made up that easy enough. Gears are fine. Oh, something took me spot. There we are at Carmel. Love this place. Apparently that's full of immigrants, that hotel. All getting freebie handouts. Oh, we all have to work. Very nice. Well done, government. But anyway, can't complain just yet. I have got a good life. Yeah, got a good job. I have good family, friends. So I have something to be grateful for. There's a boathouse over there. It's not raining now. Yep, nothing on the lens, thankfully. I am hoping this is recording. Yeah, it is. So, like I say, I forgot to bring me blooming drink, but I've not had anything to eat this morning. It is, oh, do you know, I've done something very stupid. I'm wearing my long jeans. That was really daft of me. I was supposed to put my G-Shock on, but never mind. Anyway, let's get up there. Oh, look at that. Straight up there, no problems. Let's have a wander around, eh? I've still got the bloody lurgy. I've got the forks in the lookout position. Nice smooth gear change. Well, it's the Dior, so Dior is a really good group set. Just trying to think of the word then. Really good group set to use. good. Lost all my stuff out with me, except for my drink, wallet, keys and everything. Oops. It's not a long trip round anyway. I'm going to test this bike out properly. So, let's push that up there. And then back. Got a feeling the residents put that on there. Stop it all banging. So this is like the route is on the track. I know the track didn't have the parts unlike this has when I first bought it. And to be honest, I wasn't going to test ride it with them blooming parts on what this came with. Point. To be honest, I'm really impressed with this bike, the way I finished it off and that. Okay, I could have probably done with putting better brakes on, but I am going to be selling this because I've got 6 bikes, and 6 bikes is way too many bikes for anybody really. At least all these thorns and stuff, nettles, ferns are all dead. Oh. I'm not sure about the thorns. Over these. There we go, look at that. Good water. I will clean the bike up when we get back. Any hoaxes. Oop.
Try and run off from there.
Right. That next gear up, there we go. The only issue I've really got with this bike is I need to bleed that back brake again. Because I had it upside down, there's probably still air bubbles in it. So I've not got the pressure that I need. We're going. Oh, check my lights. I had to stop. There was in, I don't know if you noticed then, I was heading straight for that stump. I only seen it last second. Somehow I don't think them tyres are going to get over that. Mud, glorious mud. So yeah, some geese there. Some more geese over here. You can just about see them through there. Geese, seagulls. There's any ducks. There's more hen there. Oh yeah, duck, no. Yeah, it is. There's a duck there. 2 ducks. Mallards. Okay, let's carry on. Falling. Yes, I've got a chesty cough. The state of this. Let's just go too slowly. On in. What's on here now? Right here. See if I can get over here. This is a really, really steep hill. Jesus. Going up this, no problem, on the highway. Ooh, that put some burn in my legs, that did. Can't remember what my last ride out video was. It's been quite a few weeks. Yes, and also as well, yes I do know, I was supposed to be doing a specialised video first. But, like I say, this is going up for sale and I needed to make sure it was okay because I'm not having any shit going out, you know. If I do a bike, it's got to be a quality bike. There's a trail look different in the winter time. Cold's getting on my chest. It's not the right angle. I don't think it is it? There we go. Change the angle on that. Oh, yeah. Well, at least the rain's kept off, which is the main thing. It's one thing I've got to be thankful for. Moment. Right. That was a nice little ride, that. Yeah, I could do with better brakes than this, like, but like I say, Yeah, I'm selling it. How well's it rolling? It rolls pretty well. Oh no, there's nothing wrong with the bearings on the wheels and the hubs. So that's about brake being pulled. Yeah, it is stopping, but it's not very good. I'm gonna have to sort this out. Sort it out when I get home. I prefer my older grips. More in that. Did I even try and attempt to go up that? No, not on this bike, you wouldn't. Going through. Cheers, thank you. That not even pedalling. Rolling away there. A bit of a grease on the air. A big grease on the air discs. Well, I'm back here now. known as the basement, and I'll be back at the folks in a bit, so I'll catch up when I get back and I'll give you my full rundown. See you in a bit. So guys, I'm back home. The bike was absolutely brilliant. Loved every minute of the ride, even though I did kind of like stumble, but I was going to hit that stump. You'll probably see it in the video. I didn't want to hit that and then end up on my backside or whatever. So anyway, I'm very happy with this bike. Tyres, like I say, they're off my track because I wanted to put better tyres on than what was already on it. They perform great again. So all in all, very happy with the bike. Done me proud today, this thing, you know. Basically got up even that big steep hill. I actually only had it in like third gear. And it, you know, I managed to get up. Okay, my legs were burning a little bit, but that's down to me not being out on the bike for a while. But anyway, I'm really pleased with how this bike's turned out. Like I say, it's cost me a lot less than what it cost me in the shop to build. You know, thankfully I've got a lot of parts and stuff. You know, I've got excess number of forks and cranksets and rear mechs and cassettes and brakes, and you know, luckily I've you know, somebody told me I'm a hoarder, but the thing is, I've got everything there to build another bike. You know, so it doesn't matter what you know, how much stuff I've got. I've already got it in stock. There's one or two little bits that you know, that I need. But I've just bought 4 new headsets. Got one for this, so I put the FSA headset on this as well, because it needed to go down a little bit more so it'd fit on the steerer tube, and that's all sorted. But anyway, the bike has turned out absolutely fantastic. I'm very happy with it. You know, if you don't like it, that's up to you. I'm not bothered. I like it. Rides great. You know, it rides as good as the Trek, I'd say. Probably as good as the Orange. That's, you know, and I've ridden a hell of a lot of bikes, so I do know what I'm talking about. And you know, I used to do cross-country racing and stuff and what have you. So I've been on a lot of bikes in my time. You know, Saracen, Trek, Specialized, Giant, Santa Cruz, Mondraker, Kona. But one of the best bikes I ever had was my Voodoo Bantu. Only 26-inch wheels on it, but I'll tell you what, that rode better than any bike I've had since. So, you know, all depends on the frame geometry and the parts that you put on it. So anyway, let's get back to this one. Very happy with it. I did build it to sell. I'm in two minds now whether to sell it or not. So it's one of them things. Do I sell it or do I not sell it? Like I say, I've got 6 bikes at the minute and I need to get rid of some of them. So it will have to go. But anyway, this is the bike as it stands now, and I absolutely love it. But guys, get out on them bikes. Start building your own bikes, because the bikes of today, the prices have gone absolutely ridiculous, and like I say,
this has cost about probably like £400 less than what, you know, the top spec has cost, and it's basically on par with the top spec bike, you know, except for the forks, you know, but other than that, it's, you know, a fantastic bike. So anyway guys, keep watching, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.